Depuis plus de 20 ans, Banque nationale est fière de soutenir le tennis canadien. À l'approche de la Banque nationale, nous voulons créer un repère fort au cœur de Montréal. Cette installation est une façon concrète de célébrer cet engagement et de rendre visible notre passion pour ce sport qui rassemble des communautés d'un océan à l'autre. Une installation qui surprend, qui inspire et qui rappelle le rôle important que le tennis joue dans l'histoire de votre organisation.
Every project begins with an idea. This idea is then translated onto paper through drawings to ensure the project's visibility. Several steps are analyzed well before production begins, including technical drawings, engineering, and obtaining permits from the city, among others. So long before a crane arrives on the job site, there are weeks of preparation. It is a teamwork at all levels. Seeing a project move from the workshop to its final installation is always rewarding. What was initially a simple drawing becomes an installation that is now part of the Montreal landscape.